We can bookmark a website, add a website to favorites, or add a website icon to the home screen to easily revisit it later. On iPhone, we can access our bookmarks from the toolbar. On iPad, we can view our bookmarks and favorites from the sidebar. Currently, there are 3 websites saved in the Favorites folder. Favorites is basically a bookmarks folder that is here by default. We can't rename it or remove it. We can quickly add a web page to our favorites by using the Share button here and Add to Favorites. Now, tap on the Bookmarks button, and the macu.com is shown under Recently Saved and in the Favorites folder. Let's add the apple.com iPad web page as a bookmark. The quickest way to add a new bookmark on iPhone is to just tap and hold on the Bookmarks button and Add Bookmark. Rather than saving this in my favorites, I'm just going to save it into the General Bookmarks folder. Now, when we select the Bookmarks button, that web page is listed under the Bookmarks section. Swipe left on a bookmark to delete it or edit it. When editing a bookmark, we can change its title, the associated link, and where the bookmark is saved. Tap the More button at the top of the bookmark screen, and we can select a large or compact display. With large selected here, a page preview icon for the bookmark is shown, as well as the web page description. Switch to compact, and just the website title is displayed with the website logo. Next, let's add a new Bookmarks folder called Shopping. Notice that we could add this folder under our Favorites for another organization option. I'll keep this one under Bookmarks. Now we can navigate to any site or specific page to save into this folder. Tap and hold to add the bookmark, then select the folder to save it into. Notice we could also add a new folder on the fly here. I'll add a few bookmarks into the Shopping folder. When viewing our bookmarks, we can tap on the Shopping folder to view the bookmarks within it. Tap a bookmark to open the page. A good way to work with folders of bookmarks is to open all the bookmarks within a folder into their own tab group. Let's do that with the Shopping folder. Just tap and hold on it and select Open in Tab Group and New Tab Group. We can then name the tab group, and the 3 bookmark sites open within it. That tab group could then be deleted, but the sites will remain bookmarked in the saved folder. We can also save favorites within a tab group. To do so, go to the Start page while within the tab group. Tap Edit and activate the Tab Group Favorites toggle. Now we can add pages within that tab group to its Favorites folder and view those from Bookmarks. Our tab group's favorites can be found within the Bookmarks folder. Finally, we can save a web page to the home screen of our iOS device. Let's log into the macu.com on the iPad. The Tutorials browser page can be a good option to be saved to your home screen and used as a web app. To do that, tap the Share button. Then go down to Add to Home Screen. Next, we can give this a name. It's best to keep this pretty short so it will fit neatly below the icon. Keep the Open as a Web App toggle on, and when launched, this page won't be displayed within Safari, but as its own app. Tap Add, and we now have an icon for that web page on the home screen. We can move it to a different screen or add it to the dock, just like any other app. When launched, the page opens without any of the Safari interface like the search bar, tabs, or bookmarks. Head out to the app switcher, and TMU Tutorials is presented as its own app. This is a really good way to watch the tutorials in full screen on an iPad or iPhone. Next up, We will look at how to use the reading list.